Hello everybody, my name is SlowPayz, welcome back to the video, and today guys, I am going to show you how to get a free Minecraft server. So if you all enjoy this episode, please leave a like and hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. I'd really appreciate that. And also if you hit that notification button as well, I'd definitely really appreciate that. Now before I get into it too much, I quickly want to say as well that if you do not like any of these servers I showcased in this video, make sure you go and check out a few other ones of these. You should definitely go check them out. I might leave links in the description to go and check those videos out. So yeah, go over to Google or Internet Explorer, whatever you use. And yeah, the first one is server.pro. Now this is the number 3 spot is because that I think they do actually wait you in a queue. So yeah, the queue does take sometimes quite a while to actually get through. But yeah, all you got to do to actually start hosting your server is come onto the website, link in the description to come to this website. And yeah, basically they tell you what you get for the free servers and stuff like that. Yeah, not too much, not the best, but it's okay for a free server. Now all you got to do is click sign up or log in. So if you've got an account, just click log in. But if you don't have an account, just click sign up, just over here. But I've got an account, so click log in. Now once you have logged in or signed up, what it's going to do is to create a server. So basically you click on here, right here, and you're going to select this server hosting, free server hosting right here. Then what you want to do is come down further and click the country you want to live in. Well, the country your server wants to be hosting, sorry. And yeah, basically you choose France or Canada. I'm going to choose Canada because if you ever do put your server on like some voting sites, that people are going to think your server is from France. So yeah, make sure you choose Canada if you want it English. So yeah, just click on Canada. Now once you come down here, you can choose the version of Minecraft you want. So yeah, basically I'm just going to do Java Edition, vanilla. You got a bunch of other stuff here as well, so you can have plugins if you want to as well right here. So yeah, I'm just keep vanilla. Choose the Minecraft version. I'll keep 1.14.3. And yeah, now you can actually choose a name for your server. So basically you can choose a few different IPs through here. Now I would choose probably this one right here. I think this one here is probably the best one. It's one of the shortest ones I think as well. Or one of the most easiest to remember anyway. Right there. Now just put a name in here, a random name. So there you go, random name in there. And this is what people are going to use to actually join your server. So yeah, make sure you actually make this something pretty easy to understand and stuff like that, because people are going to want to know this to join your server. Now what we got to do next is come down here further and yeah, just click create server like here. So yeah, this is what it's going to look like. Basically just click create server. And yeah, as you see now you're in the queue. So now I've claimed that. So yeah, when you first set this up, you get in the queue like instantly. But when you try again, it took me nearly a half an hour to get back into the queue to set my server up. But anyway, here we are on the server. And yeah, as you see, here is my IP just up in this corner up here. So this is what you're going to use for people to actually join your server. Now, as you see, I'm going to have a few things blurred down here because I think it's actually an IP I actually have. So yeah, basically this is basically your home page of Minecraft. So down here further, you can actually upload yourself an icon as well for your server. Yeah, basically that's pretty simple. If you want to know how to do that, let me know in the comments below and I'll show people how to do that. But anyway, from here you can do files. So basically you actually, I think your server should be launched up as well. So go to dashboard up here. Now your dashboard doesn't really do that much. As you can see, when you click on dashboard, this is basically your dashboard right here. But anyway, you can restart your server, turn your server off, and it's online right now. So your server should be creating a world and all that. And basically here are the files. So basically here are all the files for your world. So here's your world. So you can swap out your world if you really want to as well. You can do ops in here. There's all sorts of stuff in here as well. So yeah. Okay then, now I don't remember where I actually left off from because I actually had to go and do something in real life. Now, I can't remember exactly what I said. So yeah, basically the server is online as you can see. So yeah, all your server files have created here. I think I've already said this. And yeah, basically your console's over here as well. As you see, your console's here. And yeah, basically it's just made all your world and your spawn area. So yeah, basically this is all your stuff all set up. And yeah, basically everything else is pretty easy, simple to do. As you see, players, these are all the players that are on your server. So if you have a player on your server, they will come up in here. And yeah, basically create plugins in here as well, install plugins and stuff like that. Basically pretty simple stuff. It basically tells you what to do on here. And yes guys, I want to say as well that this server does close itself down after about 10 minutes if you're not on the actual server. And if you stay AFK any longer than 10 minutes, I think it kicks you off and closes the server down anyway. Now, there might be a few ways to go around this. If you create yourself like an auto fish farm, basically your character's always moving. So if you create yourself an auto fish farm, I think it should never kick you because your character's always moving, trying to catch fish. And so basically, if you don't want to keep your computer on overnight, that is going to be a problem because, yeah, basically it is going to close itself down after about 10 minutes. But if you want to keep your computer on overnight, just simply keep your character on AFK fishing, and then yeah, your server will stay up, and all your friends can join in the night as well if they really want to. So guys, I forgot to say this, and yeah, we're going to do a TNT test on this server.pro. Now guys, this is it for number 3 spot. We should go into number 2 spot. So number 2 spot guys, we have aternos.org. So yes, this server here is actually a pretty good one. It's a bit like server.pro. But yeah, basically all you got to do if you want to start setting up, click play down in this corner right here. Now once this loads up, you can log in if you've got a logged in account, if you've got a username and a password for it. But if you don't have an account, just click create your server. Now basically choose a username, you have to go next and all that type of cool stuff to actually start creating the server. So I'm going to put something in here random, one of my old gamer tags. Apparently that's not allowed, just put HD 1450. Now basically this is your IP as well, so yeah, whatever you put in here is going to be your IP for your server. So yeah, make sure you do that and click next. And before you do that, make sure you click you agree with that. I didn't see that bit, so yeah, make sure you click agree and then click next. Now basically from here, just put an email and all that type of stuff, password, and I'm going to log in with Facebook. Now once you are here, as you can see, this is the actual dashboard for it. So yeah, basically you are here right now. And yeah, this is the server IP right here. So server IP is up there. That is what you're going to use to join your server. Now, basically to start your server up, you have to go over to server. Now basically here you are at server. So what you got to do is click start. And it should start doing your actual server. Now basically, all you got to do is click start, and yeah, you're going to be into a queue. So yeah, you got to agree with the EULA. So yeah, make sure you click agree with that, and yes, okay. And now it's going to put you in a queue, and the queue is quite high, as you can see right up here. And yeah, sometimes this can be up to nearly 1,000. So yeah, you are waiting quite a long time in the queue. Now once this actually does start, that it's going to you can go over to Minecraft, put the IP in, and you can join your server. Now, other stuff you can do here is the console as well. And I don't think, yeah, it's not really going to load up just yet because the server is still in the queue. Now you have the log as well, it's not really too much in here. And you also got some more options here. And I think this is where your server stuff goes, where like your world and stuff like that. Now this is where all that's going to go. You can change your world out to a different world. So yeah, that's where this is going to go too. So yeah, basically this is the same thing as the first one. That about 10 minutes on the server AFK is going to kick you, and if you're not on the server, it's going to kick you, well, to close down the server after about 10 minutes. Now, as I said in my last one as well, that if you create like an AFK fish farm, I think it will keep you on. So as you can see, it says confirmed now. So yeah, now basically it's going to start creating a server in shortly because it wants to verify that you are actually still here. So yeah, that's all you had to do, and here, as you can see right now, it's loading. So it's loading my server up. Now this could take a couple minutes, but anyway, as you see, they are doing a giveaway right here as well, so if you want to enter for that, I think it skips the queue time, so yeah, that's pretty good. You can skip the queue time on here. And also, I will do a TNT test right now. So yeah, I had to place all that TNT in. So yeah, there's quite a lot of TNT there. Took me a little while. So yeah, basically I'm just testing the server crash with all that TNT. And yeah, basically that is the FPS test or server test. So yeah, basically now that is going to be it for this server, I think. And yeah, we're going to go into number 1 spot. Now in number 1 spot, guys, we have minehut. So yeah, this is actually a brilliant server hosting for free. And yeah, basically what you want to do is start your server. It's just, I think first you have to create an account, and I've already got an account because I had to test all these servers. So yeah, basically all you do is click sign up, and yeah, you can just create an account, just username, password, stuff like that. Now basically you got to do is create your server up, and yeah, now it's loading my server. And yeah, on this one I don't think there's actually any queue at all because I didn't see any. So yeah, basically there is no queue. So just click start, and yeah, it should start launching your server. I can see it's getting it started over here. And yeah, for me, I didn't see a queue. So yeah, there's no queue in this one. That's the great thing about it. And yeah, basically, if you want to do commands on your server, like give your players opt, just simply type it in down here. That took me ages to find when I was testing this. And yeah, you have up to 10 players right here. And your IP will be your username, I'm pretty sure, when you create your accounts up. So that is my IP down there. That is what you give your friends and all that to join your server. Now once this is actually loading, I'll check out some other stuff. So basically there's some other stuff over here. So yeah, you can change your actual IP here as well. And yeah, you can choose like a text for your server as well. This is what you have at the front of your server before people actually join. And yeah, basically you come down here, you can put your own world in here as well. Save world, reset world, and you can upload yourself a world as well. And you can put yourself a seed in if you want as well. So basically that's pretty good options right there. You put your own seed in. Now I'm pretty sure my server is actually loaded up. Yes, as you see, it's online right now. That is what the good thing about this one is, there's no queue. Because sometimes they take ages to queue. In my last one, I think it took me near half an hour to wait in a queue. So yeah, basically there's no queue on this one. So anyway, come back down to here, server properties. And yeah, there's a bunch of stuff you can do here. Max players, so you can choose the max players in here. So basically 10 is free. And there's a bunch of other stuff in here as well. PvP, you can put it disabled, enabled. And flights is disabled, stuff like that. It's all in here, and you can have texture packs as well. If you want to know how to do this, let me know because it's pretty easy. So yeah, I can tell you guys how to do that. And basically everything from here is pretty easy to understand. It tells you what everything is. So yeah, you come down to plugins, and in here you can put in plugins. So install plugins, and yeah, I'm not sure how you actually upload your own plugins. Yeah, I haven't really found that out just yet. I think you just have to install these plugins they have here. I think that's the only way of doing it, so you can search for some plugins that you want. So basically that's one way of doing it. Now, over here, actually, yeah, you can put your plugins in here, it looks like. So yeah, all you got to do is upload your plugins into here, and yeah, restart your server and your plugins will load up. So yeah, let's go back into the original one. Actually, your world's in here as well, your nether world and all that. Banned players, I saw that somewhere. There you go, banned IPs, banned players. There's help, ops, all permissions and stuff like that. So everything's in here. Now this one here doesn't actually kick you for a long time. I think I was on here for over 20 minutes AFK and it did not kick me from the server. Now the server did close down after about 10 minutes, I think, with no one on it. But yeah, if you're on it AFK, I think it should last. I think it lasts about half an hour, anywhere up to an hour with you AFK on the server. Now this is definitely the best one. So yeah, if you know any more information about this server, please let me know in the comments below because I would really like to know more stuff about the server. Now yeah, I'm going to do the TNT test right now. As you see, it didn't really lag that much at all. So yeah, pretty good. Didn't crash the server, nothing like that. So yeah, this is probably the best out of those other two we looked out today. So yeah, basically that is it for this video, guys. If you all enjoyed it, I would really appreciate a like and a sub as well would be really nice. But anyway guys, that is all I had for this video, and I'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.